Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Anne-Catherine and I make videos on painting, on home decor and DIY here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to make over my living / kitchen / dining area. So this open plan space is where our family spends all of their time. So we're going to see how to make this multi-use space work for all of our family needs. Let's get started! The first thing we noticed whenever we moved in was that the windows desperately needed to be changed. They were warped, so they couldn't be shut properly. We got all of the windows in the entire apartment changed, and it made a huge difference, not only in the comfort, but also in the way it looked. So the thing we'll be tackling in today's video is the floor in the living, dining, kitchen area. So it's tiled with these faux marble tiles, and while they look quite nice, they are super impractical for this space. Okay, so the first issue is that because it's a tile inside a living space, it's just not comfortable. We're a barefoot home, so we like it to be warm underfoot, and this just is not, especially in the winter. And it would also be nice to just be able to sit on the floor and play board games with the kids. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons why we're changing the floor. The second one is that because these tiles are so smooth and slippery, if they get even just a tiny bit wet, they become really dangerous. We've had quite a few accidents of the kids slipping or even us almost falling whenever there's even just a tiny amount of water on the floor. And the third reason is that because the floors are white, they always look dirty. The smallest little crumb or anything on the floor is just incredibly obvious. And again, in a home with kids, it's just impossible to keep them clean. So this is the product I'm using. It's actually this vinyl wood floor. So it's actually perfect for kitchens and things like that because it can get wet without getting destroyed. And you can clean it properly, and it's not going to get destroyed like laminate floor or even hardwood floor, because the look we're looking for is really something that looks nice like wood, but obviously that can withstand being in a kitchen and with all these furniture sitting on it, and it's not going to get destroyed. And this is the Underlay. So it's good for thermal insulation. It's very thin. And it's actually very, very hard, so it's not going to get all squishy underneath whenever we walk on it or if we put any furniture on it. So yeah, let's try this out and see how it works. Okay, so here's the first update. This is after half an hour of work. So it works really, really fast, actually. So these panels actually click into each other. And yeah, it feels super sturdy on top of this mat. So yeah, so far so good. Although I really don't think this was real wood. I think they're printed because a lot of them are really similar. But still looks good. And the mat is easily cut with just a regular old knife. So what we do is interlock here, these, and then they give you this tape to go with it, and all you do is just tape it down. You get the next panel down, and then you can just continue putting all the floor on top. Okay, so this is the update at the end of day 1. So I've been working on this for, I'd say, an hour and a half, so it's going along well. But it's now evening time. So yeah, we're gonna stop.
Hello.
This is Kira.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so see you in day 2. Bye. Are you ready for the reveal? Happy with the result. It looks amazing. I'm so happy, and I can't believe it took me just 3 evenings after work to complete this project. So really, definitely, I really recommend this product or this type of product. So yeah, I also cleaned it up just after building it, and it was super quick, super easy, much better than the tile that was there before. Walking, sitting on this floor is so much more comfortable, warmer. So yeah, I'm super happy that I chose this this alternative to what we had before. So this is part 1 of this series. In the next episode, we will continue this room and see what other improvements we can make to truly turn it into the home of our dreams. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see what happens next, then click subscribe below and it'll keep you updated on future videos. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.